Hey, good morning or good afternoon, depending on where you are in the world. Wanted Apollo here. In this video, I want to talk to you about why our affiliate marketing program is so different. Unlike other affiliate marketing programs out there, our programs offer multiple opportunities for growth and development. For example, every Monday through Friday, we host a book club mastermind at 9 o'clock in the morning, and we're learning principle-centered leadership skills by Napoleon Hill. We read books like Think and Grow Rich and The Laws of Success. And at 9:30, we open up the lines for you to participate or just sit back and listen and learn. We also have additional training every Monday through Friday at 11 a.m. Eastern Time, and that's called the Traffic and Conversion Call. That's an over-the-shoulder call with the owners and founders of the company, and that's where they teach you skills that will help you move forward in your business. The important thing about these calls is when you learn something new, implement it, take action. We also have a call every single Monday night. The first Monday night of the month is for the funnel builder. So if you just have the funnel builder tool, you can plug into that call. Absolutely amazing. You can get any of your answers, any of your questions answered, and they also teach you some skills that will help you move forward. We also have that call every Monday night. So if you're a premium member, every Monday night, right, you plug into this call at 8 o'clock p.m. And guys, they bring out leaders, people in our organizations that are having success, and they share what's working for you. And I love that part of the call. I love seeing people grow. I love learning from others. So them are just what makes our company different. Many times you'll join a company and they'll tell you, yeah, we'll train you. Well, you know what? We walk our talk. We have 11 hours of training a week. And no, it's not mandatory that you plug in. But if you're eager like me and you want to have success faster, plug in because it will help you push forward in your business. So that's just my word to you today. If you want to learn more now about who we are and what we do, put in the comments, learn more now, and I will private message you. As always, do something good for somebody else in the space of knowing they can't repay you. Always go for your dreams. I love you and I appreciate you. You have a blessed day.